And what we're about to do and show you is how we get along. We get along with eye contact. We also get along by listening to one another. Not only that, but we also get along because of rhythms that we've learned during the course of the years. But above all, there is harmony.
The only easy day is yesterday. Go on and pull me underwater. I know you really can't be that blind, son, but I think you're that much smarter. It makes it that much more defined. Now cough it up and call your mother. I see you just can't find the time, but time found me without much bother. I saw that boy become a man. He bathed in blood just like his father, in white and golden gloves and gown. He found it wasn't that much harder. Now what's in you that is your own?